Photosynthesis consists of two phase, light reaction or photochemical reaction, dark reaction, carbon reaction or biosynthetic phase. Light reaction occur in grana while dark reaction occur in stroma. Light reaction is directly dependent on light while dark reaction dependent on products of light. There are four parts of the light reaction. First, light absorption, water splitting. Third is oxygen release and formation of high dependent light energy chemical intermediates that are ATP and NADPH. The products of light reactions used in dark reaction for the formation of sugar. Products of light reactions are ATP, NADPH and O2, in which O2 is byproduct and it diffuses out from the chloroplast, while NADPH and ATP used while making CO2, while making sugar from CO2 plus H2O in Calvin cycle or biosynthetic phase. Again I will repeating my sentence. Light reactions, these all the process of light reaction: light absorption, water splitting, O2 release, formation of ATP and NADPH. It needs photosystem. What is photosystem? Photosystem is equal to light harvesting system plus reaction system. Photosystem, it is group of pigments found in the thylakoids. There are two type of the photosystem, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. They named according to their discovery. Now, photosystem is equal to light harvesting complex or antenna plus reaction center. What is reaction center? Reaction center is found by a single molecule of chlorophyll A, and reaction center is different in photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. In photosystem 1, reaction center is P700. 700 में डिजिट क्या है? 71. तो PS1 में P700, while in PS2 680. दो डिजिट है इसमें, 6 और 8, इसलिए ये PS2 याद करने की विधि बता रहा हूँ मैं. तो जो मैक्सिमम वेवलेंथ की लाइट होती है वो PS1 में 700 तक जा सकती है, जबकि PS2 में 680 तक जाती है. लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स कैसे बनते हैं? लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स मेड बाय several hundred molecules made up of hundreds of pigment molecule bound to the protein. Each photosystem has all the pigment except, as I have told you, except one molecule of chlorophyll A, forming light harvesting system or called antenna. This pigment help to make photosystem more efficient by absorbing different wavelength of light. लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग सिस्टम क्लोरोफिल ए के अलावा जो बनता है, और जो एक्सेसरी पिगमेंट होते हैं वो डिफरेंट वेवलेंथ की लाइट को एब्जॉर्ब करके वो क्लोरोफिल ए को देते हैं. जैसा कि मैं आपको पिगमेंट को पढ़ाते समय इस चीज़ को पढ़ा चुका हूँ. PS1 और PS2 में मैंने डिफरेंस बता दिया. फोटोसिस्टम 1 और फोटोसिस्टम 2 में क्या डिफरेंस है? PS1 700 डिजिट, 700 एक सिंगल डिजिट है, तो वेवलेंथ P700. दूसरे में PS2 680, वेवलेंथ 680. थैंक यू.